Take out the light-speed measure box, which includes the box body, dust removal tags, screen protector, alcohol wipes. First, place your phone in the base. Wipe the screen with alcohol wipes first. Then, dry it with dry wipes. Use dust removal tags to pick up any remaining dust particles. Ensure the screen is completely clean. Second, align the positioning film with the 4 slots and insert them into the slots. Note that there are 2 adjacent slots on the top, one on each side. Third, close the kit lid. Hold the left and right sides of the lid with your left hand to keep it in position. No need to press down. Gently put up the pull tab with your right hand and wait for 3 seconds. Fourth, open the lid and remove the positioning film. And complete the film application. If there are bubbles on the edges, use the dust removal cloth to assist. If there are bubbles in the middle, slightly lift one corner of the temper film. Finally, if you accidentally stick it wrongly, you can use the spare film to reapply it.